Give me a call if you got any questions at all. Happy to help. That was this client right now, this is what we're doing. We're bookending the build, right? I was able to get here midday. I wasn't here this morning like I earlier said I wanted to be, but I'm stopping at the build just to check up on the crew's progress and share that progress with the homeowner, reiterate expectations that they can have for the rest of the day, reinforce the idea that I'll be back to do another magnet sweep after the initial cleanup and meet with them again then. Our experience is that if we're proactive in addressing client questions and client concerns before they come up, then we're in a position to deliver more value and greater trust.